2015.
15.
Hi, Miss Karis. 19 months and 1 day old.
Hi.
Hello, Jonathan.
Say hi to the camera.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving.
And for dinner, we have sweet potato casseroles, stuffing, turkey, cornbread, cranberries, broccoli, and then that soup. And we're all thankful. And I got a wonderful cook.
Excellent.
You have to look at yourself too.
I guess I did a little bit too. Hello, Jonathan.
You say hi.
And this is the week of potty training. He's doing a great job. Hi, Karis. And we have to watch the
Uh-oh.
yoga. Okay.
Sit down.